Hair growth is for everyone. So if you are struggling to grow out your hair for years and years and you have not been able to achieve a healthy long hair, this is a video that comprises of how I've been able to grow my hair from TWA to a very long hair that is at my mid back length. So I started, taking care of my hair in 2020 where I did my big chop, and I started actively documenting my hair growth journey on camera by 2021 ending. This is how my hair looked like then. So I took care of my hair by applying some simple method to grow out my natural hair. And one of those methods are pre-pooing my hair before washing my hair. So usually what I'll do is to apply some oils overnight. So if I'm to wash my hair the next day, I'm going to pre-poo my hair by using some oils on my hair. I'm going to pre-poo my hair previous night and I'm going to sleep with that pre-poo. So I did this for a very long time and it has benefited me a lot because my hair does not feel stripped when I finally shampoo my hair the next day. So I learned this method of preserving moisture or keeping my hair strand moisturized even after shampoo from a favorite YouTuber, Miss Charity, and other YouTubers that I was watching as I was actively growing out my hair. So many of them may not keep that pre-poo in overnight, but I discovered that keeping the pre-poo overnight helps to soften my hair. So I take advantage of the time I apply my oil to detangle my hair and remove every shaded hair, and I also detangle using my fingers. But initially when I started growing out my hair, I was using a white tooth comb, and if you've been watching my video for a while, you would have seen the white tooth comb that I always use. But it's very important to detangle your hair before shampooing your hair. I found this very beneficial because if you go in to shampoo your hair before detangling your hair, because you've had some hair shedding, those hair that sheds are going to mat up together with the rest of your hair during washing. So it's very important to detangle your hair prior to shampooing your hair so that you don't have those strands of hair that are out already, matting together with the rest of your hair. I initially started using a white tooth comb until I mastered the art of finger detangling my hair, and I decided to start finger detangling my hair. So right now I don't use much of a comb, I use my fingers. So this pre-poo session really helped me to be able to manage my hair, and I would say that it's part of the reason why I have a soft natural hair. My hair now is currently at 3 years. This September 2023 makes it 3 years of growing out my natural hair. So I did my big chop in 2020 September, and I actively started documenting my hair growth journey after allowing my hair to grow out for a year to master the act of taking care of my hair so that I can have a story to tell. So as you can see, the oils from this bottle is a pre-poo oil, is a herbal oil. I make my herbal oil myself, so I have a lot of DIY herbal oil mix that you can learn from, that you can see, that you can watch. So I'm going to drop a playlist of this on your screen so that you can have a view of what I put in my oil mix. But trust me guys, using herbal oil mix is a game changer for me because it has helped me a lot. My hair is soft, as you can see, it's shiny, along with growing healthy hair strands. So after doing the pre-poo, I then go ahead to shampoo my hair. So during this shampoo process, I use basically just my black soap shampoo. But before that, I tried I played around with a few shampoos, that I bought, and some I loved, some I did not really like them, so I stopped using them until I was able to start making my own shampoo mix, which is just using African black shampoo and some, natural ingredients mixed inside it. So I also have videos of how I make my shampoo, and I'll leave a link in the description as well, or on your screen, in case you want to learn how to make a black soap shampoo. So I do that, and I make sure to shampoo my hair twice, and of course my wash day is every week. So when I started taking care of my hair actively in 2021, I always shampoo my hair every week, so I don't wait for my hair to get very dirty before I have to wash it. It also helps somehow with my moisture, because my hair adapted to the fact that every week it's going to receive lots and lots of moisture, because after shampoo, of course, you're using water, you're drenching your hair with water, deep conditioning, you're doing a lot on that wash day to infuse moisture back into your hair after shampoo process. So I always look forward to wash day, especially when I know that I'm going to deep condition my hair. So I shampoo my hair twice. The first is supposed to remove every dirt, every buildup of my scalp, and give me that clean scalp look. Like I said, the pre-poo already preserves my hair strands, and so my focus is really usually on my scalp. So I wash that once, and I go in the second time, and I don't necessarily have to put shampoo on my hair strands, because the lather from the shampoo is going to wash the rest of my hair down, and remove all dirt. So I do this, and also on my wash day I started applying a mask. So I have different videos of my hair masks that I use. I've used hibiscus, I've used fenugreek, I've used moringa, I've used quite a number of hair masks, but I've not used a store-bought hair mask before. So everything I do was DIY. I was actively using DIY hair mask, using some of these Ayurvedic herbs. I was doing that for the whole of 2021 and into 2022. So towards the end of 2022, I discovered doing a raw hair mask like this does not benefit me that much, because I just find it that my hair was not accepting it any longer. So as my hair grew, I just noticed that some of those herbs were rather harsh on my hair strands. Probably maybe a change in something on my routine, or I don't know, but I just discovered that. So I decided to switch it up. So instead of doing the raw max DIY thing, I transferred them into using teas. So instead of doing a fenugreek hair mask, I will do a fenugreek tea, or an hibiscus tea, or clove tea. Just apply that as leave-in in my hair to moisturize my hair. So if you've been watching me from beginning, you would have noticed that I stopped doing those DIY hair masks. Not that they are not good, they are very, very good. In fact, they are the things that will help your hair to thicken up and to grow faster. So but it was just not working for me anymore, so I decided to just stick with the teas, and the teas helped me a lot. So Sometimes I will just do a hibiscus tea or green tea rinse after shampooing and deep conditioning my hair. So I do that, and it has helped me with reducing shedding. I have videos also of the hair mask that I do, both the DIY and how I use them on my wash day. This and more will be put down in the description box so you can see and follow my hair care journey. After that, I also like to deep condition my hair. Like I said earlier, deep condition is a must for me. Like, there's no wash day without deep conditioning my hair. I must deep condition my hair. And what I usually do is apply my DIY deep condition. So most of everything I did or used during as I was growing up my natural hair were mostly DIY things. So I do them like by just mixing some things from my kitchen, or just doing something that works as a deep conditioner for me. So there was no, you know, pressure of buying deep conditioners, top bought deep conditioners and all that. Yes, I did try quite a number of them. Not that much, maybe a few conditioners here and there. But for deep conditioners, I think I've only tried one store bought deep conditioner, and I did a video of that as well. Okay, one or two maybe. I did a video of that as well, so you check my playlist and you will see them. So but I'm more of the DIY person, so I always mix my conditioners and just see what works for me, as long as I'm deep conditioning my hair at the end of the day. And deep conditioning from that time till now has really helped soften my hair as well, because I use heat to deep condition, like covering the deep conditioner I apply to my hair, covering it up with a plastic bag, and just leaving it for a couple of hours to set in and penetrate into my hair strands. And when I started initially in 2021, I was using just raw eggs to deep condition my hair. So I just beat some eggs, apply some oil inside and some honey, and that is my deep conditioner. So I was doing that before I started using conditioners, to deep condition my hair and all that. So even till now, I still do that egg treatment, but I don't do it like weekly. I do it like bi-weekly to strengthen my hair, because I've discovered that my hair needs a lot of strengthening. Like, if protein is missing in a month for my hair, it just makes my hair feel somehow. My hair started growing thicker, started growing longer, and I was able to reach mid-back length in 2023. Just 2 full years of actively taking care of my natural hair. So, but starting from when I did my big chop till now, that is 3 good years. So guys, after deep conditioning my hair, I moisturize my hair. I put my hair in a lot of protective hairstyles. So the protective hairstyles that I chose to really, focus on was mini twists or chunky twists, then sometimes mini braids. Those are the hairstyles I've been doing like since forever. Since these 3 years, I've been doing just that, and it helps me. Seriously, guys. I know I feel I want to style my hair a lot more. I want to do different styles, but when those temptation comes, because they are okay, they are nice to have to do different styles, but I think sometimes I just relax and just do something that has low manipulation with it. So I don't want to just sit for hours and be manipulating my hair, trying out different hairstyles, because over manipulation is not going to help your hair to grow. So the overall protective hairstyle have been helping me to preserve moisture, and I've also been moisturizing my hair. Then I had the routine of moisturizing my hair 2 times a week, until I was able to master the act of keeping moisture into my hair for like a week. So I have videos of all this. If you're just joining my channel for the first time, or you've never watched my videos, do well to check my playlist. You're going to see a lot of these videos. You're going to see how I started. You're going to see my first video, how my hair was still very, very low, and now how my hair has gotten to mid back length. So I did a video of showing you guys a length check on how my hair has gotten to mid back length. And moisturizing my hair is something that has helped me a lot. It's something that I can never stop doing. It's something that I even have more videos of moisturizing my hair, and it's also in my playlist. If you're struggling to grow out your natural hair, watch some of these videos to help guide you, because what I did, I was watching a lot of YouTube videos as a novice, as someone who did not know how to take care of her natural hair. Because initially when I did the big chop, I wasn't planning to ever make my hair again. But when I discovered a YouTuber, Miss Charity, I was encouraged to take care of my hair, to pray for my hair, to nurture my hair, and that has helped also, because I usually pray for my hair. I put my hair into God's hands and hope and trust that it gives me the best. And so far my hair has been growing long and thick, and one thing I prayed for this year was to grow healthy hair, thicker hair, because initially as a young child I didn't like my hair to be thick, but now I really want my hair to be thick. I really love thick hairs, dense hairs, hairs that are everywhere. So that is what I've been praying for, and by God's grace I've been getting that. So I'll probably do a part 2 of this video, sharing with you guys my setbacks, those things that I've encountered during this 3 years journey, and what lessons I've learned so far, and what you can benefit from them. So but that's all for today's video. This is my 3-year journey, hair growth journey, all the things I've been doing. I probably have not captured a lot of what I did. I'll maybe do that in a sit down video and share some tips with you guys. So but check my playlist for my wash day routines, for my moisture routines, and you're going to find a lot in there. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button and like this video. Also share with me your comments. If you have been following me from day one and growing out your hair with me, let me know what you love about my channel, about my hair growth journey, and what you have learned so far. So till I come your way in my next video, bye.